Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone, welcome to this English graded reader lesson. Today's lesson is called Fix Your Life, One Step at a Time. Ownership is your responsibility. In this lesson, you will improve your English listening, learn new vocabulary, practice simple sentences, learn an important life lesson about responsibility. Listen carefully, relax your mind. Let's begin. A life without ownership. David was 30 years old. He worked in an office. He felt unhappy every day. Every morning, David complained. He said, "My job is bad. My boss is unfair. My life is boring. I have no time. I have no money." David always blamed other people. When he was late, he said, "The traffic is the problem." When he was unhealthy, he said, "My body is weak." When he failed, he said, "Life is not fair." David did not take ownership of his life. Ownership means responsibility, but David did not want responsibility. One night, David watched a video online. The video said ownership is uncomfortable. It means saying, "My body is my responsibility. My income is my responsibility. My discipline is my responsibility. My time is my responsibility. My future is my responsibility." These words stayed in David's mind. He thought, what if this is true? He felt afraid, but he also felt excited because if his life was his responsibility, then he could change it. The next morning, David looked in the mirror. He said, "My body is my responsibility." He was tired. He was overweight. He had no energy. Before he blamed work, stress, life. Now he said, "I will take one small step." He did not go to the gym for 2 hours. He only walked for 10 minutes. David also said, "My time is my responsibility." Before he wasted time watching videos, scrolling on his phone, sleeping too much. Now he made one small rule. I will wake up 15 minutes earlier. In those 15 minutes, he drank water, he stretched his body, he read one page of a book. He felt proud. Small step, big beginning. Discipline is doing what is right, even when it is hard. David said, "My discipline is my responsibility." Some days he felt lazy, some days he wanted to quit. But he remembered one step at a time. He walked every day. He woke up early every day. He tried again every day. Not perfect, just consistent. David also thought about money. He said, "My income is my responsibility." He stopped blaming the economy. He stopped blaming his job. He asked himself, "What can I learn?" He started learning English. He learned computer skills. He learned communication. Every night he studied for 30 minutes, only 30 minutes. After 3 months, David felt different. His body was healthier. His mind was stronger. His confidence grew. He did not complain so much. He did not blame others. He said, "My future is my responsibility." He felt powerful, not because life was easy, but because he was in control. This story teaches us ownership is uncomfortable, but it is powerful. When you say, "It is my responsibility," you stop being a victim. You become a leader of your life. You do not need to change everything today. Start with one small habit, one small action, one small decision. If you feel stuck, if you feel behind, if you feel tired of excuses, remember your body is your responsibility. Your time is your responsibility. Your discipline is your responsibility. Your future is your responsibility. Fix your life one step at a time. Thank you for listening to this English graded reader lesson. to improve your English. Listen again, repeat the sentences, practice every day. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. See you in the next lesson.